Everybody's got a little way, little ache, little break in the soul. Little mess, little laugh, little past that they never show. Little high, little lie, little try just to feel okay. But it fades, never stays, leaves you right where you were that day. Got a life, got a plan, got a handful of things you chose. But at night in the quiet, it's a fight that nobody knows. Try to run, try to numb, try to become someone brand new. But the truth keeps knocking like it's saying, I see you. We can't outrun it, can't undo it, no we can't lose it, we run into it. Every road that we walk goes through it, we need more than we're doing. We need more than we're doing. We all need saving, can't escape it. Every fix we try, we fake it. Every heart's been bent and breaking. We all need saving, and we all keep chasing, never making anything that's worth the taking. Every road just keeps on saying we all need saving. We can try, we can strive, we can drive every part of change. Be better, do better, whatever, and never rearrange. What we are, who we've been, deep within it remains the same. We need grace, not a race, not a pace we can win or claim. Every good thing we bring still swings and it falls apart. Every clean little scene still leans on a broken heart. We don't need more steps, more reps, more self-made plans. We need help, not ourselves, something greater than man. We can't rewrite it, can't refine it, no we can't hide it or outshine it. Every soul keeps trying to find it, but we're lost without it. We're lost without it. We all need saving, can't escape it. Every fix we try, we fake it. Every heart's been bent and breaking. We all need saving. We all keep chasing, never making anything that's worth the taking. Every road just keeps on saying we all need saving. Then you came, took the blame, took the shame we were carrying. Lived it right, paid the price, gave us life that we couldn't break. Not by will, not by skill, not by anything we achieve, but by grace through your name. Now we finally can breathe. Now the weight, now the chains, now the pain doesn't own us. Now the guilt, now the shame, now it's broken and over. There's a peace, there's a rest, there's a breath that remains when we call on your name. I needed saving, couldn't face it. Every fix I tried was wasted. Every part of me